Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to turn off Google Assistant. Not everyone finds Google Assistant useful for their needs. Running Google Assistant in background can also consume battery and system resources. So to improve device performance, users prefer disabling or turning off Google Assistant. To do this, first you have to tap Open your settings. Now scroll down and tap on Google. Here, tap on All Services. Now tap on Search Assistant and Voice. Now tap on Google Assistant. In the search bar, search for General option. And then tap on it. And now you just have to toggle Google Assistant off. Confirm it by tapping on Turn Off. And here you go. You have successfully turned off Google Assistant. Easy, right? Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon to never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.